Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelvin Johnson. In this video, I want to show you how to download and install Microsoft Teams from Office.com or your Office 365 portal. So let's say you have an Office account or Office 365 account and you want to install Microsoft Teams on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So what you need to do, first of all, you need to log on to your office.com, and here you can see we have the Teams app. So mind you, you can as well use your Microsoft Teams from your browser. Here you can see when you click the Teams, it's going to open in a new browser. So I can actually use my Microsoft Teams from my browser here without installing it on my device. But if you want to use it on your personal device, so what you need to do is, first of all, after you open Microsoft Teams on a new browser, if I go to here you can see the settings and more. So just click settings and more. On settings and more, you can see we have the option to download the desktop app or to download the mobile app. So because I'm installing a Microsoft Teams on a laptop or desktop, so I want to download the desktop app. So you can see it is downloading, so it's not going to take that long. So after the app has been downloaded, so just click on open file to start installing Microsoft Teams. So here we can as well go to the folder where the Teams has been downloaded. You just click on show in folder. So we're clicking in show in folder, so the folder will be open and you can see that Teams has been downloaded. It's about 118, I think 115 megabytes in total. So let me just close that. So let me also minimize this browser. So here you can see that it says installing Microsoft Teams, and you can see that a shortcut had just been placed on our desktop. So the installation does not actually take a long time. So the installation has been completed. So it's trying to load the Microsoft Teams, and I've actually linked my account to this device. So definitely I'll be using a kind of a single sign-on if my account, which is linked to Windows 11, do have Microsoft Teams. So you can see it has been installed and open automatically. Okay, let me close my browser. Let me just close all the browser. So I've closed my browser, and here you can see right now, this moment, the Microsoft Teams has been installed on my device without requesting me to enter my password. Is because the reason for that is because my account is linked to my Windows 11 device. So if I go to my start menu and I go to settings, on our settings I click account. So here, if I go to my access work or school, you can see that my account, Kelvin Johnson, has been linked to this device. So that's the reason why I was not asked to actually sign in with my password or email. You can see that this is the same account that was linked to this device. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT videos. And if you have any issues concerning Office 365, you can always send me a personal email or leave a comment on this video below, and I will reply to you as quick as possible. Thank you very much, and goodbye.